This is Stevon NextLevel Mindset bringing you another powerful and positive video. I want to share with you 3 mindset methods that every YouTuber needs to succeed. Stay with me and watch this video all the way through to the end. I've got some PowerPoints, extra tips I want to share. You'll see this is a no-fail system. You do not want to miss what's coming up. Let's get into it. If you're watching this, that's right, you are someone. Maybe you got your own YouTube channel. Maybe you're just getting started. You may have been doing this for a while. Either way, I started my channel in 2013, but I took a break and relaunched it. So I want to share with you some mindset strategies that I've been able to put in practice. The first mindset strategy is to be willing to be different. Be willing to take risks. Be willing to break the rules. You know, a lot of us, we get all caught up into one thing. And I'm realizing in my own life, I've been able to break the rules, stand out. This is the only way that we're going to be able to stand out. Be willing to take leadership, break the rules, be different. There is no one but you. That is the first mindset strategy that I've been able to put in my life that I know will work for you. It's only when we take those risks and come up with our own mindset of leadership strategies that we can stand out. So that's the first mindset strategy for every YouTuber to succeed, is to be willing to do what nobody else is doing. Take that step, break those rules, and stand out. The second mindset strategy is to never give up. Don't give up. We have to make it up in our minds that we are not going to quit. We're not going to stop. So don't give up. I want to encourage you right now. I like the guy Rob from vidIQ. He always says, listen, the only reason a YouTube channel can fail is if the YouTube content creator quits. So as long as we don't give up, as long as we don't quit, we'll be all right. Think Media, Sean from Think Media, he says that it's like you could put a video out today that won't take off for about a year from now. And that's the power of staying with it. That's why I want to encourage you right now. Do not give up. And before I go to number 3, just got to take some time to say thank you to all my subscribers, all my family. You've been with me since the beginning, putting it down. Wouldn't be the same without you. I really appreciate it. And if you're new here, make sure you subscribe. Great music, entertainment, inspiration, motivation. You'll always have something to keep you empowered. So hit that subscribe button. Join the family. So let's get back into this. The third mindset method that we all need as content creators to succeed as a YouTuber is to see it as a business. You know, it took me a while to realize that this is a business. I have to have a business mindset. Sometimes that means just reaching out, networking with other content creators, networking with other business mindset individuals. You know, it took me a while to realize that I don't have to do this thing alone. Now, I've learned how to reach out and get help. It's part of having a mindset of a business. So think about your channel. Think about your success, the videos that you publish, the things that you do as a YouTuber. Have you thought about it as a business? Because that is the one thing that I know is a no-fail system. Think about your company and think about your YouTube channel as a business. That is the third method that we all need as content creators, as YouTubers, to succeed on this platform, is to look at it as a business. For example, you could set up a merch shop. You could do something with affiliate marketing. Even myself, I've got something set up as a merch shop. And if you've been enjoying the channel, that will be a great way for you to bless the channel and get an immediate return on your investment. Here's Next Level. You could set up some type of merch, affiliate link, anything you could do to see your channel as a business. That is what has helped me. Now I know that this is not just a channel, this is a business. And once we see it as a business mindset, that's when things start to happen. Now, I've got a few bonus points that I want to share with you. Stick around for that. But first, if you're already enjoying this, hit that like button. That'll send the computer algorithm signal, let other people know this video, OMG, this video. It'll let them know it's worth watching if you hit the like button. So the first tip that I want to share with you as a bonus and as a extra PowerPoint, whenever you record your videos, get right into the content as quick as possible. We want to get right into the meat of the content. I remember when I first started my relaunch, when I first relaunched my channel, I made some YouTube videos, didn't really know what was going on, and I had like 5 or 10 second B-rolls going in even before I start telling the people. Here's the key. When you click on a video, when your viewer clicks on the video, they want to make sure some way that they're in the right place. They want to be affirmed right away that I am going to get what I come in to get. So as soon as your video starts, let them know they're in the right place. Then you can do other things, but let them know this is where you are. So this is the first power tip that I want to share with you. Whenever you're making your videos, get into the meat of it as quickly as possible. The second PowerPoint that I want to share with you is strive to make every video just a little bit better than the next one. I think a lot of times we get frustrated because we see that our channels may not be growing as fast as they could, and we don't see the results that we thought we wanted to have. Like I mentioned earlier, some of our videos probably won't even take off until 2, 3, 4 months down the line, maybe even a year down the line. So think about it like this. Always think, what can I do to just make my video, the next video, just a little bit better? That's going to help us to succeed. And I've learned over time that if I can just improve just a little bit on each video, then I can set myself up and I can be committed to never give up. Third PowerPoint that I want to share with you is learning how to check your analytics. One thing that has helped me is to check analytics to learn and become a student. The only way that we're going to succeed, this is a mindset method for every YouTuber to succeed. Always be willing to learn. One thing that has helped me is to become a student of the platform. Sometimes you realize that, maybe you're into it and it may not be for you. You have to decide, is this thing for me? And the one thing that helped me decide is that I made up my mind that I have a vision that I want to share with you. I mean, it's exciting for me to be able to share my gift with you. Some of you have been following my relaunch ever since I restarted my channel. So I'm excited about that. It feels good to do that. And so you just need to decide if YouTube is for you. I put together this playlist right here, 5 powerful clips, just 5 different signs to let you know if YouTube is for you or not. Before you say I'm done, click into that playlist. See me over there. Stay blessed, stay positive. I'll see you on the next level. Peace.